everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Let's go over the markets. Dow was down, not by much, by 38 points. Nasdaq was down, S&P down, and the Russell was down. All right. If we look here, all right, we do have buy signals across the board. All right, so buy signal on the Dow that came in yesterday, right here. Nasdaq has a buy signal. On the S&P, we've got a buy signal. All three buy signals came in yesterday, guys. So we are now bullish again. All right. The Russell does not have a buy signal yet. All right. So just waiting on the Russell to give a buy signal. That should come in soon. All right. VIX is at 1242. So that's good. Low volatility. All right. Low volatility in the VIX in the equity markets. All right. We have most of the sectors, if not all of the sectors, except for one, energy is down. All the rest of the sectors are up. All right. So indexes are up and the sectors are also up. All right. We're going to take a quick look here at the sectors and see which is the leading sectors. So biotech, let's do this. All right. So silver is up. Look at silver, guys. Nice moving silver there. Utilities up. That's utilities there. All right. What's that? Consumer staples, buy signal here, breaking resistance. Gold, all right, gold, good price action on gold. All right, telecom, no buy signal yet. All right, good markdown phase. Buyers are stepping in there. Healthcare, look at healthcare, no buy signal yet, but green candles, guys. So these sectors are really shaping up. Materials, all right. Hey, Tyler, welcome. Materials, right? Good there. Financials, look at financials, guys. After a decent run here, financials, buy signal. All right, buy signal here, looking to break resistance there. Energy, just consolidating right here. All right, biotech, right? Markdown, bit of a markdown pullback. Green candles coming in, looking for a buy signal there. So across the board, guys, even real estate, all right, getting a bead here. Green candles coming in. Tech, all right, technology. We'll take a look at technology stocks this evening. Buy signal here after a nice run, all right. Home builders here, all right, home builders. Industrial, all right. So all of these sectors, guys, they might not have buy signals, but they've got green candles, all right. So buyers are definitely coming back in, all right. So again, buy signals, Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, all right, VIX is lower. Big picture, the Dow, guys, hit 40,000 for the first time. It did not close above 40,000. It did pull back, all right, but that's a big deal. All right, Russell, guys, all green candles here, breaking resistance on the Russell. That's small caps, all right. Remember, Russell, small caps, all right. Green candles here, breaking resistance. That's really encouraging for the Russell. Russell has stuck between support and resistance for quite some time there. All right, S&P. All right, S&P broke resistance, guys. Here, this is for the week. This is weekly time frame. This is all-time high territory on the S&P. Nasdaq. All right, Nasdaq. Same thing here. All-time highs territory here. This is new territory for the Nasdaq and the Dow. Like I said, right, broke, right? You guys can see there. Hey, Joe, welcome, Joe. Broke above, right? Above resistance, hit 40,000 for the first time, guys, ever. But pull back. You guys can see that candle here. Pull back a bit and close. What was that? Right at 38,874 is where it closed today. But again, made it all the way up. What's that high there? Made it all the way up to 40,000 and change. All right. So very encouraging for the market. What a swing, huh? Here was the selling that came in right here, and guess what? Few weeks later, here we are. All right, all-time high territory. Okay, let's take a look at current position. We'll spend most of the evening on equities. Okay, guys. All right, current positions. We'll take a look at the 60-minute. We're going to start following, tracking the 60-minute time frame, moving forward. Less time on Forex Dominator, guys. All right, so we're going to try to get some more trades, more activity as we move forward. All right, so short positions, and we had a flip that the yen pairs changed overnight. So I heard from a few of you, all right, but let's see here. All right, so USD HKD 60-minute time frame short. All right, that's sell short signal here. That trade is still holding fine. USD dollar ZAR sell short signal still holding fine. It's the yen pairs though. All right, that totally turned around. So CAD yen sell short signal there. Look at that. Buyers came in. We were hoping that it would hold at that resistance. Sellers would come back in. Buyers came back in. So we should be totally out of this trade. Green candles and sell and buy to cover. Got to be out. Got to get out of that trade. Okay, so CAD yen, close that trade, please. All right. SGD JPY, same thing. Sell short signal moving down nicely, but right here, white candle, then buyers came in heavy. Some of you, I heard, you flipped your positions. All right. You went from short to long. That's okay too. All right. If you're quick enough to do that. All right. I know euro yen provide really good opportunity to go long. All right. I will take a look at that. SGD, close that trade, please. Pound yen, same thing. Sell short signal, big reversal. Now, this was a counter trend trade, right? Remember we talked about it. Hey, that those yen pairs, they go with the market. All right. So just remember, counter trend trades, just be alert. This gonna happen. All right. This because the overall trend, especially for pound yen, is long. All right. They want to go long. So counter 60-minute. We don't have any shorts on the 240. That was a quick trade. All right. So hopefully you guys got out safely. All right. So pound yen, close that trade. Swiss yen. All right. Sell short signal. Right. Broke resistance, buy to cover, close the trade. And euro yen did offer a good opportunity, all right, to flip the trade. Sell short signal was here, all right, and then buy to cover here. Let's turn on the long. And the long, all right, so where is the long? Oh, all right, no long here. Where was it? Was it on the 30-minute? Let's see, 30-minute here. Okay, all right. I thought we had more opportunity there. Okay. So out of all the yen pairs short. So no more yen pairs short. Okay. All right. So 60-minute USD, HKD, and dollar ZAR still short. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Anthony, welcome. All right. No longs on the 60-minute right now. But we might, we'll look through. If we have alerts, we'll send those out. Okay. So keep an eye out on the 60-minute, guys. We'll get more active on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. 240-minute time frame in Monster Scalper. Long positions. All right. So New Zealand dollar. All right. Buy signal here. Right. Nice break of resistance. Still holding firm. All right. We've got new support and resistance lines here. All right. And looking good to break through, test at a minimum, test the resistance here. Hopefully continue to move higher. Next area of resistance all the way up here. All right. So buy signal here. All right. Moving up nicely. Resistance was here. Pretty good resistance, but it broke through that resistance convincingly here. All right. Good trade going there. New Zealand dollar there. All right. Aussie yen long. Aussie yen long. Buy signal here. Broke resistance. All right. Buy signal here. Broke resistance. Moving up nicely there. Aussie yen. Pound yen. Pound yen closed that trade, guys. All right. Closed that trade. Red candles came in. Right. I know it's moving up higher there, but we should be out of that trade. So pound yen closed that trade on the 240. Euro yen, all right, also closed that trade. Buy signal here, big red candle, sell signal, broke support. All right, close that trade. There's a good chance if it breaks through that resistance right here, we could get another buy signal, euro yen, but close it for now. Okay. All right, Aussie yen holding. Aussie dollar. All right, good trade going here, guys. Broke resistance, right? Struggled a bit. Look at that. Struggle. That's why it pays sometimes to stay with these trades, guys. All right. Good resistance here. Really test that resistance. Failed here, here, even here, here. Finally broke out. Buy signal here and trading nicely there. Aussie Swiss. All right. Aussie dollar. All right. Broke resistance. Almost similar. All right. Very similar. This is where sellers were sitting right here. Right. Really good resistance here. Strong resistance. Right here, here, all through here. Finally broke out. And he's holding. We won these trades when they break out to stay above resistance. All right. So that buyers are still in control. Buy signal here. Holding firm. That's Aussie dollar and then Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD. We can bring up that resistance now. Let's bring it up right here. All right. So buy signal here, broke resistance here, holding firm, moving up nicely there. That's Aussie CAD. Right. Short positions in Monster Scalper on the 240. USD CNH. All right, USD CNH. Sell short signal is here. We have support here. Now we do have a sell signal. So here, this is not a great setup. Very choppy in here. Okay. All right, but we do have here, all right, on the dollar index right here, that dollar close. Hey, Solomon, welcome. All right, that dollar, right, dollar index closed its buy signal. No, we don't have a sell short signal yet. All right, but red candles are coming in. We could see the dollar move lower. All right. Where am I? All right. All right. USD CNH. USD SEK. Sell short signal is here. We need that price to come on down. Support here. If we get that dollar index to come on down, we could see that price continue to come down. Break support here. Next level of support, if it can get past this area here, all the way down here. So it's got some work to do. All right. Dollar Swiss. All right. Dollar Swiss. Keep an eye on this one right here. Did break support here. Sell short signal here. And here it is right here. We need sellers to come on down, right? Just like they did here and here. All right. So if it breaks through next support, all the way down here. Okay. USD SGD, same thing here. Next target, if it can break through all the way down here. All right, dollar ZAR sell short signal is here, and that's moving down nicely. There, USD MXN, all right, holding right here. Sell short signal needs to break through that support right here. All right. All right. No, the dollar pairs, they've been moving lower, but not in a straight nice line. All right. All right. Our current positions in monsters, in Stock Boss and Bullmaster, guys. And we'll spend some time. Hit Seeker is hitting up. All right. So we'll spend some time there this evening. Stock Boss. As we go through equities this evening, right, we'll focus on just the general market, no particular sector. All right, AMC, guys, AMC. All right, a big pullback on AMC. That's not surprising. Okay, we look back at the last run in AMC and GameStop. I think they did almost the identical thing. I'll go back, do some research on the charts later. Okay, but that's to be expected. All right, this was a big pop here. AMC buy signal from a low, guy. Low was $3. All right, this is the daily time frame. So in 2 days it went from $3 all the way up to, what's that, $11. All right, so that is to be expected. All right, but I don't think that trade is done yet. Okay, so all buy signal here. Buy signal came in at 454. All right. Trading right now closed at, what's that, 460. Buy signal for 454, close to the 465. All green candles. All right. But we can see buyers come back in. Okay. All right. Support on it is right at $3 and change. Okay. That's AMC. GameStop, all right, almost similar. Buy signal came in. Well, the low was $10 and change. Buy signal came in at 15. All right, made a high all the way up here at 64, guys. This really broke out from here from about 18, 2 days from 18 to 60, 64, pulling back all green candles. Okay, but they're still holding it. All right, it's holding above the gap right here. All right, so this is a different type of trade. All right, this is all a momentum trade. So you can see those traders get back in. Okay, all right, so don't totally give up on it. I would say this is I can give advice on especially this type of trading here, but sometimes it's a good, might be an opportunity to add. All right, you guys know I don't say that all the time. All right, but uh, different type of trading there. Okay, so just be aware of the risk with this type of trading. Okay, all momentum driven. All right, all momentum. A lot of fear, a lot of greed, but mainly a lot of greed. GameStop and AMC, and we've traded it in the past, and we did well. All right. MAXN, MAXN. All right, buy signal here. All right, green candle got saved today. All right, white candle, green candle, that's holding. TAC, that's holding firm. AD&T, that's holding. Bring in your lines. All right, OTLY, buy signal here, holding firm. ME, buy signal here, that's holding. ONL, buy signal here, good markdown phase here. All right, buy signal, holding firm. All right, CDMO, buy signal here, breaking resistance there. All right, NYCB, buy signal. It's a new trade here, just holding green candles. All right, good support, good risk reward too. This one fell from about 14, trading at 361. ORGN. ORGN. All right. Anthony's, and yeah, that's your stock. Red, white candles here. Keep an eye on this one, right? Support is right here. Previous resistance is support. So let's move this. Hold on. Right here. So keep an eye on this one. If it is right here, holding support right here, white candles. All right. So you could see it bounce back up, but it's got to hold support right here. Okay. And then EBS, buy signal here. I'm holding firm, good price action. I think this one had really good risk reward. All right. Sold off from 40. Buy signal came in at 354, close today 527. Okay. And then Bullmaster. All right. NVCR. All right. Buy signal here, guys. $15 was the buy signal. All right. Nice move. $22 and change. All right. This one fell from what's that? 120. All right. So good risk reward. Next target on this one here is all the way up here where the selling started here. All right. And with the market, the way the market's doing, it's got a good chance. And it's getting past that resistance right here. All right. So it's getting past resistance right here. Okay. So good price action there on this trade here. NVCR. IRBT, buy signal here. All right, purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on that. All right. Bit of a pullback, all green candles, but it's holding, right? Holding resistance right here. Okay. UNG. UNG. All right. Good price action here. Target. Let's bring that right about here at 22. Buy signal came in at 16, and it's got to get past this area here. That's UNG. So this area here will be difficult. Right here. All right. A lot of resistance in here. This is where um, sellers came in strong right here. Look at that. Every single buy signal failed, guys. All right. So buy signal failed here and here and here and here. So 4 buy signals failed right here. So we know they're here, right? Sellers are definitely sitting in that area, all right? Even in here, okay? So they like to push that price back down. So if it gets anywhere up in this area, be on high alert, okay? UNG, all right? And JXN, that's continuing to hold very well, all right? Okay. Okay, so we're going to spend some time on Stock Boss. We have a lot of stocks in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. If we have time, we'll spend a little time on Bullmaster Pro, our new system. Tylak got his set up today, so congrats, Tylak. Guys, Tylak has Trade Warrior. So any new system we get, any new system we get, guess what? Tylak gets it. All right. Tylak is not on here. Okay. All right. So we did his installation today. Let's see here. Okay. So we'll start with Stock Boss. So let's run Hit Seeker. Yeah. So we've got guys 121. So what, a couple of months ago we were at what? Lucky if we had 10 or 12. So we've got a lot here. So let's go through these. We'll go through these quickly. Open this up. We don't care about the sector right now. All right. All the sectors are moving. All right. We just want a really good markdown phase. We might, if the stock is good, if it has a really good reaccumulation, we can certainly look to add. Okay. All right. ALLK. All right. ALLK. Let's see. This one fell from 862. Buy signal came in at a dollar, came in today, $1.41. All right. ALLK. All right. Here is AMC. All right. AMC right here. All right. Nice big buy signal. Choppy though. It's going to get past all of this resistance is here. Close at $4. Have a lot of resistance at 6. Another good risk reward trade there. Okay. All right. Too expensive for stock boss. I mean, we could get it up to here. It's at almost at $8, $7.91. Resistance at 10. We can do better. BIRD. BIRD. Bird in stock boss. BLNK. I think we traded this before. BLNK. All right. All right. Good markdown phase. All right. Buy signal here. BLNK. Okay. BZUN. BZUN. CDMO. We're in that already. All right. CHIP. Good markdown phase, guys. Look at this. Really good markdown phase. Fell from $19. All right. Look at that. Beautiful markdown phase. All right. CHPT. Buy signal here at 186. CHPT. All right. All right. Beautiful trade here. Make sure we're not in it. CVAC. CVAC. All right. Nice big candles came in today. All right. Fell from what's that? 20, trading at $3, close today, 48 cents. Good risk reward. Okay. Resistance, you'll have resistance somewhere down in here. Support becomes resistance, 7 and change, and then up here around $10. All right. Perhaps even in here. All right. But good setup. CVAC. All right. EBS, we're in that one already. $10. That's high for stock boss. I will pass on this one. With guys, with the Russell moving up nicely, right, clearing that resistance area on the Russell. You know that Russell has been stuck for a while now, for a few years between support and resistance. Now that it's trying to break out, these small cap stocks will move. All right, all these small cap stocks, that's part of the Russell. Okay, so as the Russell is moving higher, that should help these stocks here. These are small cap stocks. Okay, and they go with the Russell, and they've been under pressure. Most of the really good action has been in Bullmaster. Not bad here. LCID. We just need that. We just need buyers to get above resistance here. That's a concern. It's not holding above resistance. Purpose support and resistance in here. All right. We need to see that, clear that resistance, that buy area there. We're a little more than halfway in stock boss. All right, we're in this one. MAXN. ME, we're in this one. MLCO. Let's see here. No. OM. Let's see. All right, fell from $30, so good risk reward. Look at that. Nice markdown phase. All right, beautiful here. All right, buy signal here, big candles, right? A bit of a pullback, right? Recovered, right? Support is right here for support. Buy signal at 3 and change. OM. Good risk reward there. Okay. Yeah, we're not in this one. Okay. ONL, we're in this one. Open, nothing there. Plug, we've traded plug in the past. All right. Fell from 31. All right, big buy signal. All right. Retraced a bit, but it's holding. All right, so you might get a discount here. So it's holding right here, 335. Support is at 238. So that was at a point. It wants to clear that resistance. See, if it does that, right, buy signal here, we just need buyers to come back in, and market is healthy. So we could see it move higher. All right. And I think we've traded it. I think this is where, was it here we took it? I think this might have been the previous trade. So hopefully this time it breaks out. PLUG. It does sound familiar. Okay. All right. Remember, we have buy signals, right? Came in yesterday on Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, all right? So that should help these stocks, especially the Russell. All right, we're almost done with Stock Boss. And then we have to go through Bullmaster. We've got about 120 in Bullmaster. All right, we haven't taken a look at Bullmaster in a while here. All right, fell from $9 RXT. All right, too much consolidation in here. Now, if it gets past this area right here, guys, that might be an opportunity. But all right, a lot of it's got to get past all of this. Too much work. We've traded this one before. We just need a buy signal here. Okay, this could be good. This one here, see our lines are still here. Not a bad risk reward. Buy signal here. Previous buy signal came in right at 65. We could get another buy signal. Here was a previous buy signal. All right, it's shaping up nicely. All right, higher lows here. White candles from red to white. We just need some green candles, buy signal. Hopefully this time, all right, with the markets holding like this, hopefully. But we'll keep it on the radar. We just need a buy signal. Okay. Nothing here. Very choppy there. SPWR. All right. If you guys look here, this is a really good markdown phase. Okay. Good risk reward. Fell from 30, was that 29 or so, $3. But look here, every single time buyers come in, sellers come in strong here. Here, look at here, gap down here, and here we are. Buyers came in, gap down. So they can't hold it. I mean, like every time buyers come in, sellers come in strong. So can't do anything there. Not yet, anyway. Always look at that price history, guys. That will give you clues. Okay. uh, that's gone. I can tell right here, lots of consolidation in here. That will put a barrier. Buy signal here. So we got support here. That's a concern. And we have resistance. All of this, that's a concern. Okay. Now, once you get past this area, right, this area looks good here, but this whole area here. All right. I think we might have one here. Fell from $10, trading at 105, 150. All right, buy signal here. All right, it is trying to hold, guys. We need to get it above resistance here, but we can add this one. All right, so resistance is right about here. Buy signal came in, pull back, but it's holding. All right, so it's holding here firm. We just needed to get past resistance here. But look at this. Once it gets past this area, if it can do that, look at that. Really nice markup phase, right? Your target is all the way up here. All right, this is where the selling started. So here's your markdown phase, right? We just need this to firm up a bit, the buying in here. Just firm up, get past resistance, right? Perhaps get about, right, $182 right in here. So we'll add this. You can get in slow, right? And then build that position if it moves higher. So VUZI in Stock Boss. All right. All right. Sometimes, guys, it pays to keep on keeping on. This is all the way at the bottom here. All right. So 19 and change. All right. 19 and change. The high fell all the way down to what's the low here? About 150. All right. Buy signal came in at 232. All right. Good setup here. Look at that. Look at this beautiful markdown phase. All right. Selling started right about here, where that buy signal failed right here. All right. Look at that. Good trade here. That target all the way up here is about 9 and change. Okay. So good risk reward. WOOF. All right. All the way at the bottom here. All right. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right. That's Stock Boss. Let's go through Bull Master. And then we'll be done. We've got to do Bull Master, guys. We might run over a bit, but we need to go through Bull Master. All right. With the NASDAQ running the way it is, all-time highs, S&P breaking all-time highs. All right. All those large cap stocks, those are going to be in Bull Master. Okay. So let's run it. All right. 138. 138, guys. When was the last time we saw that in Bull Master? It's been a few months. Several months. Okay. We'll go through these quickly, I promise. But we have to go through these. Never know what we might find. All right, nothing here. That's gone. Nothing here. That's gone. You're going to find that a lot of these guys are moving. AMCX, that's gone. Notice a lot of these, they're getting in quick. Very choppy price action. All right. Not a bad buy signal there. Now, most of these large caps, you will not find, like something like this. Boy, you put this on your radar, CNX, just wait for a buy signal, because a lot of these large caps, You know, they've been running for a while. Large caps have been doing well. So you're not going to find a lot of these in the markdown phase. All right. A lot of these will come in that reaccumulation phase, much like Bullmaster Pro. Okay. Ty Lack and I were talking about that during his installation. All right. CR and X, right? Right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, breaking resistance. Those are the type of trades you'll find in Bullmaster. And now those are good. Those are continuation, like reaccumulation. Okay, more trend following. All right, so that's a good one there. All right, this one here from the nice base, and he's breaking resistance here. That's also this could be good. All right, resistance here, support here, buy signal here, nice healthy candles. We'll add this. So it's a different type of trade, guys, right, in Bullmaster. Okay. All we want to see is strength. We want to see strength. All right. Good price action, but strength. This one here, good one, but it's gone too far. Very choppy in here. All right, here's GameStop in Bullmaster. All right. All right, GO. Another great risk reward. Fell from 20, trading at 10. All right, we'll add it. All right, GO. All right, a lot of times these large cap stocks, guys, they can break through those highs. Okay, especially with the market making new highs. All right. Okay. But we have to be selective. Good. All right, HE. This one fell from $43. Right, gap down. Okay, we could fill that gap on the way up. HE, good healthy buy signal right here. Came in HE. That's in Bullmaster. Okay. This one here, setting up, buy signal in here. That could be good. Like bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal in here. That could continue. HIMS. Just need a buy signal there. This on the daily. Take a quick look at the weekly here. All right, weekly looks good, guys. Look at this. Nice markdown phase on the weekly. Buy signal here. Look at that price action on that weekly. Resistance is here, right? Looks really good on the weekly. Bring it back on the daily here. All right, look at the daily here, guys. All right, here's your V. Look at this setup. All right, so we're going to start here. Look at this trade here. Nice big candle came in today. Buy signal here right at when it hit that resistance right here. All right, buy signal here. That's your triangle right here. Good price action, guys. All right, really good price action. Look at the previous trade, right? From here all the way here. All right, so K, good setup here. KURA. Now, don't be afraid to taking these reaccumulation trades. All right, Bullmaster Pro, that's what you're gonna get. All right, those types of trades, right? Those are great trades, especially when the market is breaking all-time highs. All right, when these markets are these indexes are breaking all-time highs, the reason that they're breaking all-time highs is because the stocks are breaking all-time highs. Okay, so they go hand in hand. All right, so that's a really good setup there. No guarantees. All right. KW. All right, KW. Let's see here. Oh, that's a concern right here. So never mind. All right. Support is here. That's going to be a concern. Even if it gets past support, resistance here, that's a concern. Good, good, good markdown phase. Nice buy signal. It's gone a little bit, but still. All right. So hold off on that. We're going to add this one here. Really good. All right, pull back here. Here's your V. All right, buy signal here, right here on that break of resistance right here. Look at the previous trading, guys. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. Look at that. Nice big candle, breaking resistance here. Here's resistance, buy signal here. Perfect entry there. MTYT. MTY. I'm sorry, MMYT. MMYT. MRNA. Nice resistance here, guys, and it's getting past these sellers. All right, so it's getting past these sellers right here. Good resistance. And then look here. We have a nice upward trend line. And nice upward trend line, right? Triangle here, broke out. Now it's not too far. That buy signal came in at 112. Oh, it has gone. 112, 132. It has gone too far. Didn't look like it, but that's gone already. That's gone. Almost done. NEP fell from 80, 84. All right. Broke resistance here, buy signal here, good candles here. Okay. Like these large caps, guys, they will move. NEP. Okay. NEP. So they could blow through these highs. Oh boy. NTRA, let's take a look at the weekly here. All right, look at the weekly here, buy signal here. Look at that, good price action, good support, right? Resistance is here. All right, so good price action. I'm just curious. Let's see what the monthly is doing there. Monthly here, look at that. So all-time highs territory is at all-time highs for this stock is 126, trading at 108. Boy, if it breaks through that level there, you could see those big institutions jump in. Okay, so really good. Look at that. Really big candles there on the monthly. Weekly looks good. Daily, all right, look at that. Good trading here. Good buy signal, gapped up, holding, right? This is what we like to see. When they gap up like that, we need them to hold. All right. Right. When they fill in that gap, that's not good. That means they're gonna come back down. But they held trading above the gap. Here's the gap, right? And they're holding it above that gap. So getting ready to break with that buy signal. So good trade going here. All right. Especially with the market. All right. NTRA. Are we in this one? NVCR. This one sounds familiar. NVCR. No, we're not in this one. What a beautiful chart, huh? All right. Sold off from 115. All right. Good markdown phase here. Look at that. All right. Look at that. Make a big note of this one, guys. NVCR. All right. Good markdown phase. All right. We have sellers sitting here. Not a lot of selling, consolidation, let's say that, right? Right here. All right. Those two buy signals failed here before, here and here. Guess what? Third buy signal. Look at that. Really good price action. And we don't have any, right? Any selling, right? We don't have sellers until all the way up here. All right. At 68, trading at 22. Good setup here. Really good setup. That's NVCR. Okay. NVDA, we just need a buy signal. Okay. Just remember, guys, large caps, Bullmaster, right? And Bullmaster Pro, right? These reaccumulation trades, right? Continuation of that trend. Those are very good trades. Okay. Very different from that markdown phase trade. Okay. Now, we'll have those, but these are really good. Stock boss won't have as many, they won't have these reaccumulation trades. Okay. It's like one and done with those. Very choppy, guys. All right. And if you look at your candles here, very choppy candles. So not a lot of good volume. All right. See how that the scattered pricing, not good. All right. Good buy signal, though. I mean, coming out of that markdown phase, but very choppy pricing there. Nice setup here. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right, not bad. All right, on the monthly, it's making all-time highs. This might be a new IPO right here, a few years back. So here's making all-time highs on the monthly, weekly buy signal here. Look at that on the week, guys. This is this week. Nice pullback, held. That's bullish. Remember, after these white candles, after we get a green candle, Very bullish sign here. All right. And take a look at the daily now. All right. Look at that. All right. So really good trade. Look at the previous trade here. And let's bring this in. All right. Those can be really good trades here. Nice pullback already. And they're ready to buy it. All right. Buy signal here. Nice big candles and resistance. All right. Is right here. But that's looking to make all-time highs. Okay. Good trades. Good setup here. Our job is to find these good setups. Okay. That's our job. The rest is we'll leave it to the market. All right. Good, healthy candles. Look here, guys. I follow these patterns. Bought here, sold here, bought here. Look at this markdown phase. Look at that. So mark up, mark down, mark up, mark down. A little bit of a pullback here. Buy signal here. This trade looks good. We don't even have to look at the weekly or the monthly. PTGX. And if it gets helps from the market, look at that. Right? Bring in your V here. Your V here. Right? Nice big candles coming in. PTGX there. That's gone. Look at this trade here. RNA. SILK. I know we traded this. Yeah, we got this trade before. You guys probably remember this, right? Bought here, sold here. All right. And here we are, another buy signal. Okay. Fell from 55. Good markdown phase here. All right. Another opportunity to get in. Buy signal here. Breaking resistance here. SILK. SILK. Okay. And we're almost done. That's gone. Choppy there. Pay attention to the type of candles, guys, you're getting. Okay. We don't want these gaps in these candles. See here. All right. We need solid candles. Right. That's yes, it might, it's going up, but there's not a lot of volume, good volume there. We need those candles to be nice and tight. I know we don't talk about that a lot. Good setup here. We just need a buy signal on that one. Good price action here. Look at that. Buy signal came in at 220. All right. Trading at 440. Take a look at the monthly. All-time highs on the monthly. Look at that. Buy signal here. So good. Good trend. Okay. So monthly looks good. Weekly looks good. Let's take a look at the daily again. All right. Daily looks good now. There's your markdown. There is your V. Buy signal came here. Here is your high. All right, needs to break through that buy signal right here. All right, it's not too far off that buy signal. Okay, for this type of trading. Okay, so VRTX. VSAT. I tell you, with the large caps, guys, sometimes those reaccumulation trades are much better than these markdown trades. Okay, because these big institutions, right? They want, right? This is not a guarantee here, right? Right. I mean, when it's in that markup phase, right, in that reaccumulation phase, and the market is strong, it's almost a guarantee, right? We know it's not a guarantee, but it's almost a guarantee. That's the way they look at it. Like, hey, they're someone is buying it already, so they just want to get on here, right? There isn't a lot of buying here, all right. So the small cap stocks, the cheaper stocks, do much better. Okay, down in here. Okay, lower down here, right? Those large institutions, they don't pay a lot of attention to these, but this is a good buy signal here, good markdown phase. So just think about that when you guys trade these. VSAT, it's a very different trade from large caps and small caps. Okay, I'm not saying that they don't buy these small caps, but they prefer the large caps. Good setup here. Just need a buy signal and a bit more base there. All right, I think that's it. Oh, hold on. All right, so we finally went through Bullmaster. I feel better now. All right, that we've gone through this. We're not missing anything. Okay, so we've got quite a bit, about 20 or so in Bullmaster, but 12 in Stock Boss. So we've got some stocks, and Bullmaster Pro. Let's go through this quickly here. Bullmaster Pro. All right. All we're gonna do is look at relative strength, new highs. This, right? We have several different selections here, but this is perhaps the strongest. All right. So let's see if we can find. We're gonna open this up here a bit since we. All right. We're just gonna go through these. All right. Hold on. Let's bring a weekly. Looks good. Look at that. Weekly looks good. Look at the monthly. Monthly looks good. And these stocks here, guys, in Bullmaster Pro, fundamentals. It's fundamentally strong, all driven by fundamentals. And then we just add our technical analysis on top of them. All right. Big candle came in here. Buy signal here. Bullmaster Pro, HWKN. Okay. All right, that's gone. You see how, guys, they bought it here up in the markup phase. See here, this is up in the markup phase. Look at that. Another buy signal. That's reaccumulation. Look at that. Keeps going. All right. This is our only system with fundamentals. All right, weekly, look at that. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here. Look at that on the weekly. Quick look at the monthly here. Look at the monthly, guys. All right, following the market. All right, look at that. So we'll add the weekly here. We'll add the daily. So buy signal here, moving up nicely. ACGL, and we've got fundamentals. All right. Hold on. All right, that's gone. Just a couple. That's gone. Look at these. You see these guys? Look at that. All right. Most of these have gone past the buy signal reaccumulation. So we've got what? 2? That's fine. All right, guys. All right. 8:16. Let's get out of here. All right. All right. Thanks for staying over. I apologize. We just needed to get through these stocks, guys. These markets making all-time highs, all new, 3 new buy signals came in yesterday. We've got to go through these stocks. And as we move forward, we're going to spend more time on the stocks. Okay. We'll take a look at the other systems, but this is where the action is. We're back in stocks again. You guys see Heat Seeker for Stock Boss, Bullmaster, lots of stocks coming in. Okay, so let's pay attention. All right, it's not what we want to trade, it's what the market is, right? What the market is doing. We need to follow what these big institutions are doing. And right now, they're back in stocks. Okay, all right, guys. See you guys on Sunday. Today is Thursday, boy. Busy, quick week, busy week. See you guys on Sunday. Okay, take care. Bye bye.